To deny people human rights is to challenge their humanity. I am here to conduct today's digital assembly on the occasion of Human Rights Day. International Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th of December annually. The day when United Nations adopted the Declaration of Human Rights in 1948 is celebrated as Human Rights Day. Now I would like to call Sparsh Goyal.
The thought for the day is to deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Thank you. So now next is Harshita.
These news headlines are Indian. Amit Shah meets union leaders as farmer demands yes or no on rollback of laws. 6 rounds of talk today. COVID-19. 3 vaccine under active consideration may get license in coming weeks. Government. International. Passengers on Royal Caribbean cruise tested positive of COVID-19. Cruise returning to Singapore. Sports. Australia fated India in final T20 by 12 runs. Thank you. Now next is Kittu Khanna with an English article.
Rights are not a privilege conferred by government. They are every human being's entitled by virtue in his humanity. With a beautiful line by Mother Teresa, I stand before you on today, exceptional day, Human Rights Day. Knowledge of rights makes the man unfit to be a slave. Human rights are basic rights and freedom that is entitled to every person in the world from birth until death. The United Nations is an organization founded to promote and protect human rights worldwide. They are universal for all human beings. They are legally protected. They are individual. Peace can only last where human rights are respected, where people are fed, and where individuals and nations are free. At last, I end with the beautiful line by respectful Dalai Lama. Thank you. The next is Master Rishabh with a Hindi poem.
हम लोगों से मिलकर बना समाज जीने का सबको है अधिकार, फिर क्यों है इतना बैर भाव, क्यों अपनी मर्जी से चलना गुनाह है जनाब। न इंसानियत बची न ईमान बचा, बस नाम का अब इंसान बचा। कुछ तो अपना नाम कर जाओ, कुछ ऐसा काम कर जाओ, नौकर न बनो कुछ जोखिम उठाओ, उपभोक्ता बनो उत्पाद बढ़ाओ।
Right to equality in soil ensures equal rights for all the citizens. The right to equality provides inequality on the basis of caste, religion, place of birth, race or gender. It also ensures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment and prevents the state from discriminating against anyone in matter of employment on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, distance, place of birth, place of residence, or any of them. Thank you.
I am here to tell you about right to freedom. Right to freedom is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Gives citizens basic freedom with respect to speech and expression, forms association, freedom of personal liberty, freedom to live a life of dignity. Freedom means the opportunity to be what you have never thought to be.
Right against exploitation in the Indian Constitution guarantees dignity of the individual. It prohibits the exploitation and misuse of service by force, like slavery, beggary, bonded labor, or for women or girls for many immoral purposes.
I am here to tell you about right to freedom of religion. Article 25 of the Constitution guarantees freedom of religion to all persons in India. It provides that all persons in India subject to public order, morality, health and other provisions are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and have the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion.
I am here to speak about culture and education right. Culture
all sections of society and save their culture. An education right includes the right to free, compulsory primary education for all.
Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32 to 35 empowers the citizens to move to the court of law in the case of any fundamental.
I am here with the topic, why are fundamental rights important? These rights embody the basic values cherished by the people of this country since the Vedic times. Fundamental rights are always planned to protect the dignity of the individual and create situations which can help every human being to develop his personality to the fullest extent. Thank you.
In my operation and denim of my humanity and right to exit. Contaminated water, for example with waste from state-owned facilities, the right to health, evicting people by force from their homes, the right to adequate house. So the right of every man are dismissed when the right of a man are threatened.
Gurukul also emphasizes on what Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to be. If such thoughts are applicable while using our fundamental rights, it would definitely flourish our nation. So, take the human rights as responsibility, not as freedom. Thank you.